Hi everyone, it's Camille again with another industry analysis video. This week we are using Aldi as an example, and I'm going to explain why this would not be an attractive market to enter. And this topic is particularly interesting to me because I actually live in Germany currently, so I get to see firsthand how stores like Aldi and Lidl really capitalize on the smaller footprint and driving their costs down. This week's industry analysis demonstrates how competitive the grocery store industry is and why I would not recommend trying to enter this industry if you're looking for a new profitable venture. And I mentioned I am in Germany, however, specifically for this slide, I'm going to reference grocery stores in America. So using the 5 forces model, starting with the threat of new entrants, it would be very difficult for new grocery stores to bloom overnight, mainly because the industry is so saturated and big well-known companies like Walmart and Kroger, for example, really dominate the industry and benefit from economies of scale. So the threat of new entrants is a low force, and that is annotated with the green box. Next, the bargaining power of suppliers acts as a medium force, so it's in yellow, and this is largely due to the fact that big name retailers tend to have very long-standing established contracts with these stores, so that guarantees reliability and dependable inventory for both the store and the customer. However, if a supplier is able to offer the same or similar product at a lower price, then this becomes more attractive, and so suppliers hold a medium amount of leverage over the industry. Next, we'll get into the stronger forces in red. The bargaining power of buyers is a strong force because customers are driving the industry. Grocery stores literally exist so that they can offer products to consumers. So without the customers, the need for competitive advantage is pretty much eliminated. The buyers are driving the prices, the inventory, demand, and brand loyalty. Therefore, this is a strong force. Another strong force is the threat of substitute products, and this is because buyers can easily go to other stores to find comparable items and will generally be on the lookout for lower prices. And finally, intensity of rivalry is another strong force, and the competitive advantage needed to succeed in such a dense market like the grocery store industry is really high. Grocery stores are pretty much fighting to offer the lowest price using any tactic involving sales, discounts, coupons, and advertisement, but sometimes it just comes down to convenience and what store is closest to where you live. So now we are going to look at one of the leading brands in this industry, and that is Aldi and their competitive advantage. I outlined 3 of the most important sources of advantage that I felt are the most significant for Aldi, and I'm going to reference German Aldi stores as an example here because it's something I'm very familiar with. First, the small physical footprint. I can attest to this because the stores are literally really small and they are only open certain hours, so that cuts down on operating costs like energy bills and water bills. Next, the limited variety of common items. This really stands out to me because, for example, instead of walking down an entire aisle in an American grocery store where there might be 50 different types of peanut butter, Aldi does the choosing for you and offers a smaller selection of maybe 5 different types of peanut butter. So this makes it faster for customers to choose by narrowing down the pool of inventory and also the options. Next, efficiency and speed of shopping. Having a smaller store, it means that there's less aisles and less square footage that people need to walk around. And Aldi even made their barcodes bigger so that they can scan easier and faster. And literally so many of the questions I had about Germany and German grocery stores and their efficiency were answered this week because they are literally the fastest scanners I have ever seen. All of this to say that this ultimately leads to long-term sustainability for Aldi as a company, and their competitive advantage over other grocery stores is certainly long-term sustainable due to all of these factors. Thank you.